Hi friends. Welcome to our channel, Learn and Grow. Today we are going to see some of the Excel workbook and worksheet shortcuts. Hope you all liked the yesterday's video that I have shared about general shortcut keys. Without any delay we can get it into our topic. The first key, to insert a new worksheet, use Shift plus F11 key. For go to next worksheet, use Control plus page down key. Go to previous worksheet, use Control plus page down key. To rename current worksheet, use Alt plus OHR. To delete current worksheet, use Alt plus EL. To move current worksheet, use Alt plus EM. To select adjacent worksheet, use Control plus Shift plus page up or down. To select non-adjacent worksheet, use Control plus click. Toggle scroll lock, use scroll lock key. Toggle full screen, use Control plus Shift plus F1. To print, use Control plus P. To open print preview window, use Control plus F2. To set print area, use Alt plus P, R, S. To clear print area, use Alt plus P, R, C. To zoom in, use Control plus mouse wheel up. To zoom out, use Control plus mouse wheel down. To protect sheet, use Alt plus R, P, S. Now we are going to see workbook shortcut keys. To create new workbook, use Control plus N. To open workbook, use Control plus O. To save workbook, use Control plus S. To save as, use F12. Go to next workbook, use Control plus Tab key. Go to previous workbook, use Control plus Shift plus Tab. To minimize current workbook window, use Control plus F9. To maximize current workbook window, use Control plus F10. To protect workbook, use Alt plus R, P, W. To close workbook, use Control plus F4. To close Excel, use Alt plus F4. Thanks for watching our channel. Tomorrow we will see another topic. Until then, bye from Thenarasi Sukumar. Have a nice day.